All right, huge shout out to Lexivon for sending me this torque wrench. This is a 1/2 inch dry torque wrench in exchange for an authentic product review. Right out of the box, what I noticed about this product, beyond that it's really well made, heavy duty, sturdy, is that it is certified for creation. Sorry, I have a hard time saying that word. It comes with this cool magnet that shows you the different foot per pound, inch per pound, Newton per meter, I don't even know what that is. We'll be using it today or this evening. We have rotated the tires on our pickup.
And we need 165 foot-pounds of torque. So each one of these, will go up to 20, but you go to the numbers, like I need 165. So I crank it up to 150. So there's 150. Yeah, I'm cranking it to the torque we need. So there's 150, but I need 165. So then I just crank this to 15. So 150 plus 15 is 165.
Oh, you lost me with those math numbers, but yes, okay. So that is what we need for F350. Okay, so if it's unlocked,
unlock, and you can adjust it to whatever you want. Get it back to where you need it. 165 is what we want. Twist that, and it's locked though. So when you're torquing on stuff and you twist the handle a little bit, it won't adjust your torque setting.
Nice, okay.
Okay. You want to go 165 pounds on these. So you just crank until it clicks. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Once it clicks like that, it gives a little bit, and whatever you're working on, these are lug nuts, are as tight as they need to be. They're at the 165 pounds torque is required. There it is. That's all you want to do.
When you did it with the impact, just to see, did the impact put them too tight?
An impact will normally put them way too tight. So if you do have a flat tire when you're on the road and you have to change one without an impact, it can be very hard because it over tightens them way too much. Unless, yeah.
But if you gotta do it, you gotta do.
Right.
So would you say it works? Would you recommend it?
Yeah, it works nice.
That's all I needed to hear.
So when you get done with whatever you're doing with your torque wrench, you want to back the pressure off to 0, so the springs inside, or not to 0, but the lowest settings, which is 30 on this one, just so the springs don't get stretched or damaged. There's less pressure on them.
And it comes in a really nice package too. Aesthetically pleasing. And it has a magnet. There you go.